better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tynesha, and in this video I'm basically just gonna walk you around my studio. This was once my guest bedroom, but I turned it into a studio. I needed more space, so I had to make do with what I had, and I transformed my guest bedroom into a makeup room. So I'm just gonna show you about my lighting, my desk, all the products that I have in here. And that's about it. So I hope you enjoy this video. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe. I am enjoying this whole YouTube thing. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you around my room. I didn't want to get rid of my bed, so I just did a little home decor. So as you can see on the bed, I have all my clean brushes. They're drying right now. And my brush belt. Gotta keep your brushes clean, ladies. These are extra pieces for my camera. Camera bag, mirror. This is my desk where I do my makeup. Go to my desk. So these are my brushes that I use for personal use. I like to keep my personal brushes and my client brushes separate. Tissue box. This is a little pop socket holder thing for my phone. I use this when I'm doing my Instagram stories. On my desk is a bottle of water. A mirror. This is the mirror that I do my lashes in. And I have some of my toiletries here. Let's see, not even toiletries, well, hand sanitizer, lotion, Fix Plus. This is my Air Organics mud therapy mask. I've done a video about this. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I have some witch hazel back there. This is my moisturizer right here. I love this stuff. What else do I have back here? Some makeup remover. Moving on, this is where I like to keep my makeup sponges. They are not dirty. They are stained. I cannot get that out. So if you guys know any trick, let me know. Moving on to my lipsticks. These are my red lipsticks. I got these tops from Amazon. They were perfect for my kit when before I decided my lipsticks. These are all my purples. Just in focus. Okay, these are all my purples. And then this big boy over here, these are all my nudes, all my pinks, and then this is like overflow miscellaneous stuff. Here we have all my lip glosses, more lipsticks. These are all matte liquid lipsticks. That's me. Hey guys. And well, this mirror here is what I actually do my makeup in. So hey y'all. This container is more liquid lipsticks. These are all the Huda Beauty minis. I have some MAC liquid lipsticks here. Back here is some concealers, lip liners, eyeliners. The lip liner that fell out of here. Actually, I have room. These are my Stila glitters that I have. Little mini perfume samples, pencil sharpener. This is the Black Opal Vampy Red lipstick that I just did a video on. I'll put it somewhere up here for you guys. Where, like there. So that's basically everything on top of my desk. Now that we went through everything that's on my desk. Oh, this box right here. This is my old Beat box. They have the best packaging. I swear they do. This is gonna be so hard to do with one hand. In my Beats box, these are all my business cards. So I have a lot to give away this year. So I do not throw anything away, especially if it's a nice packaging. Of course, again, graphic designer. This is great packaging. And now I know why Beats cost so much. It's all in the packaging. So let's move on to the things that are inside my drawer. So this is my first drawer of makeup. On this side here, I have all of my foundations, liquid foundations. So we have Maybelline, MAC, Cover FX. We have powder foundations. I think that's more MAC back there. So moving on from there, these are all my eyeshadow primers, my color corrector, mascaras, mascara primer. These are all my eyeshadow quads. This is the quad that I'm wearing today. Oops. I think this is my first quad that I've ever bought. So this thing is really old. A long time ago, when I was in college, I was like, when I grow up, I want to have every single color eyeshadow, and lo and behold, now I'm a makeup artist and I do. So back in this little slot here are my primers. So I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, a small one and a big one. So I could take one for travel. This is the Inglot 77 eyeliner, or gel eyeliner. And this is the Black Opal primer that I just got. This was in that Black Opal video as well. Here are all my blushes. These are all from MAC except for this one. This one is from Bobbi Brown. It's the Coral. In this little section here, well, this is a quad. This goes back over here. These are all my highlighters. So Maybelline, Becca. This one's in Topaz. This is a Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. These are all MAC. In here, these are all my setting powders. I have the Mineral Skin Finish, Laura Mercier. This is a contour powder. Well, I use it as a contour powder, but this is a powder foundation by MAC. This is the Ben Nye Topaz. I got this off of Amazon. Back here are my palettes. So I have Naked Heat, the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. And then I have two 15 palettes by MAC. This is the old one. Moving on to this drawer. These are all miscellaneous lip products, or like little samples that I have. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is also a Fenty Beauty lipstick. My little lip liners down here that I don't want to get rid of yet. This one is concealers. So we have MAC, creams and liquids. LA Girl Pro. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. Back here is miscellaneous samples as well. That's everything in the first drawer. This is the second drawer. So these are all my brow tools. and lash glue, tweezers, scissors. This is my eyebrow pencils. In here is my melt stacks. I have the gunmetal stack and the rust stack. Miscellaneous stuff. This little thing is to hold your eyelashes so you can reuse them. Then I have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I did a video on this one as well. Some brow tools. I have Lily lashes and these other 3D lashes. These are some more glitters from Ulta, makeup wipes, Vaseline. I use this little thing here to do my makeup, put my makeup on. These are charcoal mask and a hydrating mask. So for my lighting, I like to use 2 soft boxes and a ring light. I noticed in my last video that it was a little bit too much light. So I'm gonna work on that. This is my Alex drawer. You can get this from IKEA. A lot of makeup artists or beauty bloggers have this to stay organized. I just have one for the time being. In this first drawer, I have lipsticks, lip liners. These are lip tars by Obsessive Compulsive. I have my Back to Matte empty containers here. Extra cotton rounds. In this drawer, these are mirrors from Mary Kay. I used to sell Mary Kay back in the day. These are overflow concealers, eyeshadows. That looks like gel liners and eyeshadow primer. These are pigments that came in a holiday set from MAC. In this drawer are all my overflow powders, finishing powders, foundation powders. These are makeup wipes. I started using these about 4 months ago. They're from BJ's. These work really well. They're a good price. You get 125, I believe. These are makeup spoolies or like mascara, lip wands. So this drawer right here is overflow of foundations. I have brush cleaner. I have rose water. This is makeup remover. I have hand sanitizer, which is always important to have. And this is glycerin. In the bottom drawer, this is a purple tablecloth for when I do promos and booths and things like that. Overflow of blushes and eyebrow pencils, moisturizers and primers, makeup sponges, and my little speaker, my Bluetooth speaker. So loves, this is my makeup room that I film in, that I do my makeup in. This was once my guest bedroom that I turned into a makeup room. I used to do my makeup in the bathroom, but then it became too much. It started to become overwhelming. I started buying more products and getting more products, and I just needed more space. So this whole transformation was very affordable. I bought all these products from either Marshall's, Home Goods, or IKEA. So if this is something that you're thinking that you need or would like to do, you can totally do it by yourself. I had help with putting this desk together. It came from IKEA, but other than that, I painted myself. I did all the decorating myself. I should have took befores and afters, but that was a long time ago. All before I started doing this whole YouTube thing, but things happen. and now I have this room. So I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.